Hey there everybody, if you clicked on this video, you probably want to know how to make a transfer using your Barclays app. Well, look no further because that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. Well, making a transfer on the Barclays app is pretty easy and simple, so without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is open your web browser and go to the Barclays online banking website. Log in with your username and password. Once you're on the home page, look for the option that says transfer and click on it. In the next tab, what you need to do is you need to select the account you want to transfer the money from. You'll see a list of your Barclays accounts. Then from the following list, select the account that you want to transfer the money from. In the next step, what you need to do is enter the amount you would like to pay, type in the amount. You can even choose when you would like to make a transfer. You can do it right away by selecting now, or you can schedule it for a later date by selecting the appropriate option. However, don't forget to add a reference for the transfer. This is a note that will appear on both your account and the receiver's account. Before you finalize your transfer, click on Check and Confirm Details. This will bring up a summary of your transfer. If everything looks good and done, click on Confirm Transfer. And that's pretty much it. You have successfully made a transfer using your Barclays app. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.